Electrocomposters make composting simpler, faster, and more efficient. There are many products available to choose electric composters, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best electric composters from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Eco 5 Food Cycler by Vitamix, Quiet, Odorless Food Waste Reducer. The latest Vitamix Food Cycler, the Eco 5, offers a more streamlined design that might look better in most kitchens than the previous model, the FC50. But if you're not sold on the aesthetics then, like the FC50, you can keep only the removable lidded bucket out on your counter and store the main machine elsewhere. When the food scrap bucket is in place, you'll have to press only one intuitive button on the front of the machine. It operates quietly while it dries, grinds and cools the waste. I've been using it in the lab for months, and I can confirm that it reduces the volume of the waste significantly and does not require frequent emptying. Our at-home testers were also pleased with this pick. "I loved using this for leftover food and cooking scraps," said one. "This helped us feel better about not putting it directly into the garbage." Number 2. Vitamix FC50 SP Food Cycler. The Vitamix Food Cycler takes up just 1 cubic foot of counter space and has a bucket that can hold up to 10 cups of food scraps for composting. The bucket is dishwasher safe, and the unit has a carbon filter in the lid that reduces odors during the heating process. The waste bucket is removable so it can be kept anywhere. Some users prefer to keep it in an out-of-the-way place, such as under the sink, while others prefer to set it on the counter while they're cooking so they can deposit food scraps before adding them to the food cycler. The product is designed for quiet operation, and multiple cycles can be run per day. The food cycler can also compost small bones, although larger ones can cause jamming in the bucket during cycles. Reviewers have also noted that the food cycler does not perform as well handling large amounts of sticky foods, such as watermelon or banana, or very fibrous foods, such as celery. The lid locks as a safety feature, which is convenient when small children or curious critters are around. The food cycler also indicates on the display when the filters need changing. As a soil amendment, the company recommends using 1 cup of dried food scraps with about 10 cups of soil and letting it sit for 10 days. Number 3. Lomi One World's First Smart Waste Home Food Upcycler. The Lomi Classic Kitchen Composter, while slightly larger than some of our picks, still is ideal for kitchen counters. The company claims that it reduces waste inside by 80% and can hold up to 12 6-cups or 3 liters of food scraps. Each cycle takes a minimum of 4 hours to complete. The Lomi has 3 different settings for operation. The fastest setting takes about 3 to 5 hours, while the longest cycle, which leaves more nutrients in the food and is called the grow mode, can take 16 to 20 hours. Included charcoal pellets come with the Lomi that act as a filter for smells when the machine is dehydrating and grinding food scraps. These pellets need to be placed in the back of the Lomi and in a small container on the top next to the bucket. Some people find the lid can be difficult to remove from the Lomi, but it does have a locking mechanism, which can be helpful for safety if small children are in the house. The bucket is dishwasher safe, making it easier to clean. Number 4. Compost Bin Smart Waste Kitchen Composter. For a compost bin with most of the features of our top picks without the same price tag, shoppers may want to take a look at the Kumikos Compost Bin. It has a cycle time of about 4 to 7 hours and dimensions similar to average electric composters, along a 12 6-cup bucket to boot. It also offers the option for users to add more scraps during the cycle. This electric composter comes with 5 modes: dry, grind, cool, UV, and clean. The UV cycle helps disinfect the bucket while the cleaning mode cleans it, so there's no need to wash the bucket. It has a built-in activated carbon filter system that reduces odors during each cycle. One con to this product is that it has an automatic voice that comes on whenever a cycle is started, which some users find annoying. Number 5. Ethereal Revive Electric Kitchen Composter. For the fastest composting time, the Ethereal Revive Electric Kitchen Composter can create soil amendment in as few as 2 hours, although it can take up to 7 hours depending on the scraps inside. Like some other composting machines, the Eartherial can compost soft bones, dairy, and meat. It only has one cycle. Users simply press the power button to start the process. It will dry, grind, and cool the food scraps, leaving a fraction of the original amount inside to add to soil. It has safety features such as automatic shutoff if the machine becomes jammed or the lid is removed. The Eartherial uses activated carbon filters to control the smell when dehydrating food, and the machine has a light that indicates when the filters need replacement, which is generally every 6 months. This electric composter is our top pick for quick composting because of its ability to complete a cycle in just 2 hours. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.